Today we're looking at a 2019 Toyota Corolla. Among the vast selection of small sedans available is the Toyota Corolla, as it continues to stand out as a top choice year after year. Thanks to a generous list of standard equipment, the Corolla comes loaded with easy-to-use features. With near mid-sized passenger space in the rear, the Corolla has room to spare for up to 5 adults. The impressive fuel economy also ensures you'll never be spending too much time at the pump. The pleasant ride quality remains composed even at highway speeds. And let's not forget the Corolla's long-running history of reliability and durability that made it such a success.
At High River Toyota, you can expect to be treated like a VIP. Our sales team is ready to give you advice and lend their best judgment to help you find the vehicle you're looking for with no haggle pricing. We're proud to offer new and used cars, trucks, and SUVs with a wide variety of trim levels, colors, and features to fit your taste. Located just 20 minutes south of Calgary, come experience what sets us apart and schedule your test drive today.